Okay, let's see now. Use a change of variable in that integral to show that log xy equals log x plus log y. Mm. What about change a variable, but I need, um, let's see, log xy equals integration from 1 to xy, 1 over t dt. Hmm. If I tried u equals 1 over t again, then I would get du dt is minus 1 over t squared. So that would mean that t squared du equals minus dt. So this would be the integration from a to b, which we'll have to recalculate, 1 over t minus t squared du. So that would be minus a to b t du. Um, uh, no, I don't think that's going to work. Don't think that substitution's going to work. So I'm gonna have to try different substitution. Right, okay. Let's see if I try and think about this backwards. So the goal is I'm trying to end up with log x plus log y. So the previous line would have been 1 to x 1 over t dt plus 1 to y 1 over t dt. Now, how would they have split though? Um, what I'd really like, if I could get the limits to be the same. Like here, I had here like one, some different limit, like a 1 over something d something. I think, we might need inspiration from some of the results from previously. Um, we could show that flipping them and the reciprocal doesn't matter. This could have been like you. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Mm. 1xy 1 over t dt. Could I change this into a sum? But what sum? I'm gonna have to pause and really think about this. Oh, I had to Google the trick here because I've not seen this question before. And it's not only a change of variable, but also a change in the limits. So the trick here is you want to split this integration up into two. So you'd say 1 to x, 1 over t dt, plus x to xy, 1 over t dt. So that's a valid split. And then the first one is done. So that's log x plus, and then we have the integration from x to xy, 1 over t dt. So that would equal log x plus, and then we should use a substitution. Now we need to think about the substitution here. What we would like is this to turn into 1. So I think I want to use the substitution like t over x or x over t, because then when t is x, we'll get 1, but the upper one we want to get is xy. So when t is, sorry, the upper one we want to get is y. So when t is xy, we'll get y here. And when t is xy, we get 1 over y. So I think, yeah, it should be this substitution. Then we get du dt equals 1 over x. So then that means x du equals dt. So this becomes the integration 1 over t times dt, which is x du. And then the limits get changed. So that would be 1. So yeah, when t is x, we get 1. And then when t is xy, we get y. Okay, so that would be log x plus x times the integration from 1 to y. Oh, now actually t over x, so this is x over t, so t over x is 1 over u du. So that would be log x plus log y. So I would have given another hint here. I would have said hint, you could say like, 1 to xy equals 1 to x union x to xy, or something like that. Just a hint. I'd break it up, the substitution. But anyways, that's taken care of now.